Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A17 and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. Now to get started you want to hold power key and select power off, and once the phone turns off hold power key and volume up at the same time. When you see the fast boot mode visible on the screen, let go of the keys, and then using volume keys to navigate, select recovery mode, confirm it with power key, wait for the recovery mode to boot up, and in here you want to select clear data and then clear cache. Confirm it by selecting OK. As you can see it's already finished, so let's select return. Press the back arrow and then restart, which will bring us back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.